It's a beautiful day here today, very windy and sun is out. And we had a lovely breakfast of Turkish style eggs that I'd be sharing with you guys today. So let's look at the ingredients together, and I hope you guys are going to give it a try and will like it.
We'd be needing some chopped onions. I've chopped them in a chopper. And some chopped tomatoes. We'd be needing a few. Some green chilies and cheddar cheese. Traditionally, Turkish feta is used, but I had cheddar on hand. And a few eggs. In a non-stick pan, we are going to heat some olive oil. We'll season the eggs. I'm adding ginger and garlic powder for taste, although traditionally it's not used. So it's my personal choice. It's up to you. If you want to use, you can use too. But believe me, it does enhance the flavor. After the oil is heated, we're going to saute the onions till they turn transparent. We will also add some salt to the onions. Now we are going to add the tomatoes to the onion and we'll give it a good mix. After mixing, we are going to season the base. I've lowered the flame here. At this point, I decided to add some cumin powder as just the chili flakes weren't enough for me. Now comes the cheese and the green chilies. You can also add bell pepper or capsicum if you have it on hand. I didn't, so I used the chilies. We will add the eggs now. Now give a few light stirs so that the eggs and the base is combined slightly together. Now stick a lid on and let it cook over the low flame. They were slightly undercooked for us from the top. They were a little mushy, so I put the pan under the grill for some time. Once done, I just decorate it with few coriander leaves to give it a nice look. And that was my breakfast. I like to have it this way. This can also be a really nice Sehri recipe. I hope you guys are going to give it a try and will leave feedback. As always, all of the ingredients and their measurements along with my social media handles are mentioned in the description box below. Please keep liking, keep sharing, and do subscribe if you haven't already. And also, please stay indoors, stay safe, take good care of yourself along with our community. I'll see you guys again really soon. Take care. Bye.